In this video I am trying to tell you about Samsung Galaxy A20 price in Pakistan specs. The Samsung Galaxy A20 has a 6.4 inches screen. The phone has a 4000 mAh battery. The Exynos 7884 will power the phone. The Samsung Galaxy A20 is popular and expensive. The Samsung Galaxy A20 has 3 GB of RAM. This gives it the ability to handle graphics-intensive games and makes switching activities easier. Samsung's Galaxy A20 is a phone we can trust. This brand needs to regain its status. The Samsung Galaxy A20 is created for consumers who seek a decent product at a reasonable price. Samsung Galaxy A20's user interface will change with Android OS 9.0 Pie. One UI, the new Android Pie interface, makes this possible. The Exynos 7884 will power the Samsung A20. This chipset has a 1.35 GHz octa-core processor. The Galaxy A20 has 32 GB of built-in storage and a dedicated SD card slot that can add up to 512 GB. All smartphones in this class have 4000 mAh batteries, which last a day. The 6.4-inch Super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen has a resolution of 720 x 1560 pixels.